Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha organized a roadshow in Mohanpur under Majlispur constituency in support of Biplab Kumar Deb on Sunday. BJP candidate for West Rifle Lok Sabha seat Biplab Kumar Deb and Minister Sujanta Chaudhary was present.
Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha and BJP candidate Biplab Kumar Deb is continuing the election campaign for Lok Sabha in the state even on the occasion of Bengali New Year. The Bengali New Year has been observed through celebration with love and happiness in the state, including cooking of varieties of Bengali dishes and wearing new dresses. After having food of the Bengali New Year, a mega roadshow was held in Mohanpur area on the initiative of Majlispur Mandal Committee. Chief Minister Dr Manik Saha, West Tripura Lok Sabha seat candidate Biplab Kumar Deb and Minister Sujanta Chaudhary were present. BJP candidate Biplab Kumar Deb and Minister Sujanta Chaudhary participated the rally on an open hooded car.
दिन पद्म फूले भोट दिन 19 एप्रिल आज के दिन बीजेपी के भोट दिन। कुमार देव মহাশয় আমাদের সাথে রয়েছেন রাজ্যের জনপ্রিয় মন্ত্রী তথা
On this day, the people of the area were seen celebrating the roadshow of BJP candidate Biplab Kumar Deb, which is highly significant. Reported by Prabir from Jirania, Chini Khorang.